Hey guys, today I'll show you what you can do if Safari is showing a black screen on your iPhone and websites aren't loading properly. So let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now, scroll down and tap on Apps. From the list of apps, find and select Safari. Once you're inside the Safari settings, scroll down until you find Clear History and Website Data. Tap on it to open the available options. Select All History and make sure the option to close all tabs is enabled if it appears. Then tap Clear History to confirm. Once you've cleared the Safari data, close the Safari app completely from the Recent Apps screen and then open it again. Try visiting a website to check if Safari is working normally. If you're still seeing a black screen or websites aren't loading, the next thing you can try is restarting your iPhone. To restart it, open the Control Center and tap the power icon in the top right corner. Slide to power off your iPhone, wait a few moments, and then turn it back on. After your iPhone restarts, open Safari again and check whether the problem has been fixed. If Safari is still not working, there's one more thing you should check: your iPhone's software. Open Settings, then tap General, and then select Software Update. If an update is available, download and install it. Keeping your iPhone updated can resolve bugs and compatibility issues that may affect Safari. After the update is installed, open Safari again and try loading a website. And that's it. These steps should help fix a black screen or loading issue in Safari on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.